We are dealing with the battery drain from Ford Edge 2011. It took us a while to figure out the problem. And also, we noticed that the problem comes from the transmission, and it's making a noise when it drains the battery. Usually it takes about 5 to 6 hours for the battery to start draining, so it's overnight. While we are working at the shop, we kept watching the amperage. The customer always also installed quick disconnect terminal. We connect our multimeter between those two guys while it's disconnected, and the amperage was almost zero. So we replaced the battery so we can start fresh with a strong battery. And we noticed that there is a kind of high-pitched sound coming from underneath the vehicle. I download this application. It's a sound meter, so it can help us to locate where is that sound come from. And also we connected our amp meter to find out what's going on. We looked at the wiring diagram. We found out that this cable, which is brown and violet, is the power supply for the transmission. And when it's connected, it's drawing almost 3 amps. So 3 amps is a lot. That will kill your battery. Anyway, to make it short, I'm gonna be silent so you guys can watch the sound meter. I kind of locate my phone next to, it's underneath the air filter. This is the closest point that I can get to the transmission connector, and that's it. Hopefully guys, this troubleshooting can help you to locate battery drain in a Ford Edge 2011. Thank you.